I'm in a bad mood, so I want to do something to my hair. I got my hair in these twists. I've had them in here for maybe 3 or 4 days now. I need my ends clip. While I was doing them, all I felt was split ends. So I'm gonna wash my hair, and then I'm gonna show y'all the rest. I'm gonna show y'all my hair before, just so y'all can get a good look at it. That's the front, that's the back. I'm gonna leave my hair in this for no longer than an hour because I want it to be as dried out as possible. I'm gonna do the tension method, and of course that's gonna make the process go by fast. But I'm gonna just show y'all real quick what I used while I was in the shower. First thing I used was their conditioner just to detangle my hair out, and then I used the Aussie Moist conditioner, the regular conditioner, and then I used this moisturizing shampoo. I don't know if you can get this online, but my uncle gave this to me, and it works really good. Last time I did it was the first time I successfully flat ironed my own hair. I only used this, and then my hair was just dry when I got out the shower, but I used this time because I didn't want to put conditioner in my hair just to rinse it out because I didn't want any of that sitting on my hair. So I used this moisturized my hair. If I can find it online, I'll put it in the link down in the description box. But yeah, I used this, and then I got 4 braids under here, and I'm like I said in the beginning, I'm gonna let this sit for an hour. I just got blow dryer, 2 clips, 2 hair ties, and that's what we're gonna be using right now. So I'm using the Tangle Teezer if I have any knots I need to brush out. So I think I'm gonna just do this front piece part so y'all can see what I'm doing. Sure, my stomach is sore, but I don't need to explain this what I'm doing because y'all can see me take the damn braid out. Honestly, after I got called and my mood was ruined, I knew this hairstyle was gonna go downhill, especially after I flat ironed the first piece and noticed that it was still poofy even after I cut the ends, and then when I tried to turn it up and flat iron that piece again, it was still poofy. I don't even have it on the heat setting. Make sure these pieces up here get straight. When I went to school, like 3 people told me I could sing. I don't know what they heard, but y'all be the judge of it after y'all see this clip right here. He get money and didn't change him. He get money and didn't change him. But he was paid. Time to get in the headphones. But anyways, I feel like my hair is getting thin. I don't know if it's because I can see through it because it's brown now. But it seems to be thicker on the part that's darker. This whole side just took, I say, 15 minutes. So I'm gonna finish this other side and then we can start flat ironing. I'm gonna leave it on 3. Yeah, try. I had no idea what flat iron this was, and I couldn't find the box to it. It only had 1, 2, and 3. It didn't have the actual temperature on the flat iron, so I just guessed. And then as I was guessing, I went up and realized that the temperature, it went up and then came back down to the same temperature it was in the beginning. Throughout the whole section, I put some coconut oil. It's very, very tiny amount. You can barely see it on my finger. Put a little bit more. Pretty much the same amount. I don't like the way this coconut oil smells. Oh, see that? Oh, that. And I'm just cutting off. Damn. No. This was even worse when I got toward the top of my head, which it usually isn't that bad, but I cut off about 1 inch, it looks like to me, around my whole head. I know y'all looking like, damn, what is she flat iron? The flat iron stopped working after this section, so I flat ironed it, but it wasn't like how I did it the first time. My hair is really prone to split ends, so unfortunately we ended the video looking like this, but my ends I clipped. That's how I know my hair is breaking off. Look how much new growth I have, and I didn't retain. I retained 0 of that. I retained none of that. None of that got retained. So we're gonna remember this, cause I'm trying to grow my hair longer than this. My hair's been this length for I don't know how long. Unfortunately, this video didn't go as planned because the flat iron stopped working, but I still was able to cut my ends. Obviously, this wasn't a tutorial, but thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you want more. Cup burger there ran me suit. But yeah, thanks for watching. Them little 22 views I got kind of motivated me a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. So hopefully this is on the road to me being more consistent. I just didn't have what I was using when I first started making the videos. But yeah, thanks for watching.